What if penicillin had never existed and the world learned to sneeze in fear instead of healing? In this reality, doctors improvise armed with leeches, lollipops, and bravado while infections win the headlines. Cafes sell probiotic tea that tastes like courage, and airplanes disinfect cabins with minty toothpaste and dramatic music. Schools teach bacteria to perform while hand sanitizer becomes fashion, and tiny helmets protect microbes from heroic squashes. Then a referee declares logic suspended as gravity takes a lunch break, proving the pulse of progress was just a prank punchline.